These AI videos are doing so well on social media as it stands now, and these are trending AI videos. You can either recreate these cute baby characters from your own photos, or you could make something like this from a completely different or African baby pictures. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this from scratch, and the tools we'll be using are completely free. This is a very detailed tutorial and anyone can replicate this. Before we get into this video, like, share and subscribe. Let's get right into the video. Now, first things first, we are going to head over to ChatGPT. Now, you're going to go over to this plus icon and click on this part that says add photo. Okay, click on it and add the image, maybe your own image that you want to use, or the viral dancing baby images. If you don't want to use your own image, you can just go over to TikTok, then type dancing AI baby, then take a screenshot from the video, then come over to ChatGPT and let's continue. So either your own image or the dancing baby image is perfectly okay. Now, once you've added the image, click on done. Then it's going to bring you here. Now you're going to click on this part that says ask anything. Click on it. Then you're going to give it this prompt. Generate a 3D cute baby cartoon character. Click on the send icon and it's going to generate a cartoon character from our image we just gave to it. But if it's the African baby you want to use, you can just import the screenshot you took from TikTok and it will still give us the same results. Wow, now you can see that it has generated the cartoon baby image from the image I gave to it. Everything is very accurate. Now let me also show you the same one for the other African baby. You can see that it has also generated the image of a cartoon of an African baby and it looks really clean and nice. So the next thing is to download these images. Now we're only going to work with my own image, the one I generated from my personal image. So you're going to click on download and it's going to download to your gallery. Next thing is to come over to TikTok. Okay, click on your TikTok app, then you're going to go over to the search icon and you're going to search for viral dancing videos. So this one, now you're just going to choose any video of your choice of any dancer that you like and you want to replicate their dance step. Okay, so I'm just going to search for dancing videos. Okay, and I'm going to click on the search icon. Now I'm just going to check out this very first one. As you can see, this lady, it's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm just going to open this video and I'm going to download it to my gallery. Now to download, you're just going to click on this arrow icon, then this interface is going to pop up. Now you can either choose to download it directly to your gallery, which we have the watermark. Okay, that is where you choose this download, or if you don't want watermark, you click on this copy link and I'll show you how you can remove the watermark on any video of your choice. Now to download the video without watermark, go over to your browser and type save from.net. Okay, type it on your browser and enter send. Now it's just going to take you to this page where you're going to download this. Now what you're going to do is to enter the link you just copied. Okay, click on that, enter it and paste the link you copied from TikTok, then click on the arrow by your right, as you can see, so it downloads automatically to your gallery without watermark. Remember, you can do this with any video, whether TikTok, Instagram or Facebook. You can use this method to download any video without watermark. Now click on this download and we are good to go. It saves automatically to your gallery. Now the next thing you're going to do is to come over to your CapCut app, click on it and click on new video. Now it takes it to your gallery, put it on video and click on the video that we just downloaded from TikTok, which is the dance we want to mimic. Now once you put it, we're going to make sure that we click on the video icon and we are going to drag this video to 10 seconds. Yes, we want it to be 10 seconds. So you're going to drag it to the right until this video is 10 seconds. Then you click on the split icon and delete the excess part by the right. Also tap on this ending part and delete that ending out as well. Click on export and we're going to export this 10 seconds video to our gallery. Next thing, you're going to come over to CapCut, click on add new video, then select the image that it has generated, which is the cartoon character that is under photos. Okay, then click on the add. It's going to load on this interface. Now what we are going to do right now is to drag this image, which is a picture of your cartoon character, up to 10 seconds and end it there. Now you're going to delete this ending part out as well. Now you can see that this image is 10 seconds, just like our video is 10 seconds. Now at this bottom part, you're going to come down to the bottom part where you can see these splits and other information, right? You're going to come over there, then you're going to swipe to the left up until you get onto mimic motion. Okay, I'm going to circle that out. Mimic motion, click on mimic motion, then it's going to take you to this interface. So you just have to read this notice and agree to the terms and condition that whatever you want to do with your image is solely your own responsibility and not CapCut. Once you agree, it's going to bring you to this part after recognizing your picture. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you see this part that says Move Pro. Please put it on Move Pro, okay? Then click on this plus icon. It's going to take you over to your gallery. Now, you're going to select the image, the video we downloaded from TikTok. Click on the 10 seconds video, which we have exported already, okay? Then click on Next. Now, it's going to recognize it as well, and it's going to load up onto the other interface, which is this one. Now you can see, now make sure, very important, that you put it on the second option, which is the Move Pro. Okay, make sure it's on this second option, which is the Move Pro. Once you've done that, click on Generate for it to generate, and you're going to give it some time for it to generate the video and mimic the one we gave to it. Now it's going to take a while for it to generate, so we're going to wait. As you can see, it's applying the feature and the time is already counting, so we're going to wait for a while and we'll be back when it's almost done generating. So as you can see, we have some few minutes to go. It's already counting, so you have to be very patient at this point because it needs time for it to mimic that character we gave to it. Fantastic. Now as you can see, it already generated the video. It has mimicked the character or the video we gave to it, and this cartoon video of me is actually dancing to the original image or giving the same dance step as the video we gave to it. Now I'm just going to click on this export part. Yes, we have to export our video to our gallery, so click on that export part. Then this 10 seconds video is going to successfully download to our gallery. Now I'm going to play the video so we can see the outcome of what we have generated. Now, because of copyright, I won't be able to allow the original sound, okay, so I don't get a copyright claim. So I'm just going to attach maybe some few clips of where it's playing. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.